All right, welcome back. So I was able to cut out the plywood that had gone bad. So if you actually look behind me, you can see the cutout right there. So I cut out a nice little square. The piece that actually fell out, make sure I don't get myself caught with a nail, this piece right here. So this plywood was super thin, so thin in fact that I was actually able to use a chisel to get it out, which made it much easier. I didn't necessarily want to cut any of the rafters with a circular saw, so I was able to do the cross section with the circular saw, and everything that was actually pushed up against the rafter itself, I was able to use a chisel with. So next step is to actually cut out the plywood, which you actually have right here, much thicker, almost twice as thick, and essentially cut out a piece to go up there. Once I get that done, I'll have to put on tar paper, and I'll have to put on shingles, and something tells me that I'll have to put on a set of starter shingles, considering that there's no seal underneath the existing one. That shouldn't be too bad, but right now just working to see what I can do to wrap up today. So I'm going to be cutting out the plywood, and then if you remember, I had some of the wood rot on the side here. So I need to get the wood restorer on first before I can put the Bondo on, and the wood restorer is going to need about 2 hours, which I probably have about that much time left. So wrapping up for today, but I'll make sure I have the plywood cut out and getting started with the wood restorer, and then I'll continue until tomorrow to get the new shingles on, the new fascia up, and the new gutter, or not the new gutter, to put the gutter back up. So stay tuned, more to come. All right, bye.